We just hit 94% accuracy on RobustQA, beating current industry standards. But the way we achieve this reveals a fundamental problem that's been breaking RAG systems. Traditional RAG systems take documents that are already the right size and chunk them down into tiny 100 token pieces. They are literally destroying the context that makes the information useful. Now, let me bring in Ali to show you how we approach this completely differently. Can you explain what traditional RAG systems do wrong with document chunking?
Yeah, so in the context of RobustQA, basically the 100 token chunking that happens to when we're trying to get these passages out of these already small excerpts cause a lot of coherence issues, and therefore we lose a lot of accuracy.
How did we approach the RobustQA test different?
So because RobustQA depends on these contexts that they call documents. These documents are already very small, often as long as a paragraph, less than a paragraph. So therefore, we took these documents, the retrieval unit, as opposed to traditionally where even RobustQA, when they further break it down and fragment it into smaller units of 100 token chunks that we discussed. Therefore, that gives us the advantage to perform better overall.
What's the technical advantage of this approach?
So basically, this approach eliminates noise because we don't to actually further chunk, and therefore we don't need to find further overlap between chunks, sometimes what we call semantic relationships. And that helps us also with storage because we don't have to have more vectors as a result of further chunking that often happens.
And why does this lead to better accuracy?
Because of the complete preservation of the context itself, and therefore there's no artificial boundary that we're defining as a result of this chunking that often happens, and this gives us a lot of advantage over traditional.
Lastly, what makes this approach more efficient?
Less fragmentation of data. That means that we will need less storage and less vectors to search in, therefore faster retrieval.
When you're working with complex technical documentation, like aviation maintenance manuals, manufacturing protocols, or healthcare procedures, that complete context is everything. Instead of getting fragmented pieces that you have to manually connect, you get complete, accurate answers with all the context intact. That means no more hunting through fragments. And here's the thing, this 94% is just our preliminary results on text-only benchmarks. Real documents are packed with diagrams, tables, and technical drawings, and that's where our multimodal approach shows even bigger advantages. And those results are coming next. This is just the beginning. If you want to read even more into this, our full methodology is on webai.com.